Hi guys, for this video, I'm gonna show you how to export your Telegram chat history. I want to remind you that this is only available in desktop. So make sure that you have already downloaded Telegram for desktop. Click the menu button that you can see in the top left corner of the screen. And then after clicking this, click the settings here. And then find the advanced tab. Click the advanced tab. And then scroll a little until you see this export Telegram data. Click the export Telegram data. And then you just need to uncheck this since we just need to save the chat history or export the chat history. So leave this check. The personal chats, private groups, only my messages, and also these photos. Now after doing this, you can select a location and format for this exporting of your chat history. Now click the export button once you have decided the path of this export. Click the export and it will initialize, and that's it. It has been completed and you can show here the data that was exported by Telegram. And that's how you can export your chat history in Telegram, and thank you for listening.